For most of recorded history, our rivers and oceans have been seen as a natural dumping ground for waste and sewage. We have come to realize that environments like these are becoming damaged and must be carefully protected if they are to survive. Providing the technology which can achieve this against increasing pressure from population and commercial growth calls for experience, innovation, and a dedication to quality. Plants like this one allow us to protect and maintain the natural environment. It's a Parkwood fine screen installation, just one of many which are designed, manufactured, and installed by Britain's leading screening specialists, Longwood Engineering. The company is based in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. Formed in 1902 to deal with effluent from woolen mills, it's been a leading force in the sewage treatment industry since the 1950s. Today, it has the capability, the skills, and the technology to offer complete turnkey packages, which can include a wide range of screening equipment. Filter bands, fine brushed and combination screens, bar screens, as well as washer dewaterers, compactors, bagging units, and handling plant, in addition to control panels. But the hardware is only half of the story. Longwood's business philosophy is to satisfy the complete needs of the customer. And that means also providing a full consultancy service and investing in the equipment which will allow a quick, flexible response to any inquiry. This computer-aided design facility is a case in point. It allows the engineers to deal with any constraints or demands the customer may have and to produce simple, low-maintenance, cost-efficient solutions. For example, a screening system can be custom designed to fit almost any existing inlet works, saving major civil engineering costs. The manufacturing facility is also computer controlled. It uses the latest equipment with the emphasis on quality in materials, production and testing. The entire process, from initial inquiry right through to assembly and installation, is streamlined to provide a fast response with full customer involvement. Longwood Engineering are implementing and maintaining a total quality system in accordance with BS 5750 Part 1. This ensures the total satisfaction of its customers by commitment at all levels to continuous improvement in the products and services it provides. Recent projects are excellent proof of this. The installation at Teesside, which we saw earlier, uses a fine screen method known as Combination D. The flow passes through a raked bar screen to remove large particles. And then through a brushed fine screen. Both sections of the screen are driven by a single low-power drive unit. It's ideal for sea outfalls, and Longwood have also been able to adapt the basic technique for use in inland sewage treatment works. This is the Greenfield plant at Saddleworth near Oldham. It uses a filter band screening system which removes items such as rags, plastic strips, and other non-biodegradable objects from the flow. Throughout, the machine is manufactured from corrosion-resistant materials and can be arranged to pivot out of the flow if necessary. The main advantages are simplicity and the elimination of excessive grit settlement, high head losses, and backing up problems. Naturally, the introduction of fine screens increases the volume of recovered material significantly. So this plant is fitted with a screw compactor, the Longwood Rotopack, which compresses the screenings prior to disposal. The screw compactor can be fitted with a wash system. However, the screenings are washed in an enclosed compaction chamber and therefore cannot receive a thorough washing action. This results in a relatively high retention of organic matter. A better method of screenings handling, which reduces considerably the organic content, is in use at the Brockholes works near Huddersfield. This features another filter band installation and a Longwood washer dewaterer. Screenings from the filter band are discharged into a trough, and then water washed into a screenings reception tank. A thorough washing action is given during maceration and pumping to the dewaterer unit. The dewaterer is a two-stage machine, both stages being fitted with perforated sheets. In the first stage, a great deal of the organic matter is washed through the sheet and returned to the main flow. The remaining solids are delivered into the second stage. This consists of a series of rollers which press the solids against a perforated sheet, squeezing out the excess moisture. This is returned to the main flow with the filtrate from the first stage. The final product is discharged from the washer dewaterer unit in a very clean condition and can be readily handled without objectionable odors. It can be incinerated, bagged or discharged directly into a skip, and most municipal tips will accept the processed screenings. The client for this project was Paul Davis, called a sewage treatment manager.
The problem we had at the Brockhall Works was one of screenings, and especially the growing problem of plastics. But it wasn't just a problem at the screen itself, but in all the downstream processes. The biological filters, wet wells, pumps, and in fact the press house itself. We approached Longwood with the problem, but at the same time we told them that we had a growing interest in fine screens. Longwood firstly arranged a site visit to see a filter band and also to talk to the operator of the screen. We liked what we saw, and within a few months we had a filter band operational at Brockhall.
Longwood's capabilities extend beyond mechanical equipment to their own electrical department, where control panels are designed and built to customers' specifications. Delivery to site, installation, wiring, testing and commissioning complete the Parkwood package. For almost a century, Longwood Engineering have built up an impressive list of satisfied customers. Today, as part of the Parkwood Mills Company Holdings Group, Longwood Engineering are in a secure position to continue providing a high-quality service to a growing client base. And with 10% of their output going overseas, the company is already capitalizing on the new opportunities offered by the European single market. Longwood Engineering is a specialist sewage treatment company. With a range of high-quality screening and handling products, flexible and responsive working practices, state-of-the-art technology, and almost 100 years of experience in the waste disposal industry, they are able to provide the essential quality which will protect our natural environment and help to make the world a better and safer place to live.